Have you eaten Nyanta Ser?
Yeah.
You eat? Pamre or pam? Pam. Biang. Bes. Sonder Barbie. Sayo. Can you guess what I'm gonna release very soon? Welcome to another exciting episode. Here in somewhere very deep in the village. Shaklau. That's what it is. Here in Riphoi, we do have a lot of these insects called Nyanta Ser. And now they are... Oh, this is actually called Yoser. My god, something new. Yoser. It's not Shayo, it's not Shaklau, it's a Yoser. I don't know if this place is called Yoser. Could be. Hello boss, how are you? You are selling ice cream or what? Ice cream you sell? Have you sell many ice cream already today? Many ice cream you have sell? Huh? Yes. Okay. How it works? Just can go in or what? Hello.
You can just go in this way.
There is a way.
Yeah, you can go behind that bridge. That's the right side.
Oh, there is the festival.
Yeah, that's the festival.
And this place is called Yoser.
Yeah, Yoser.
Wow. People live here in Yoser.
There are some people who go.
Some people live here in Yoser. Okay. Thank you very much, Ma. Alright. Kuplay. How is Yoser? Kumno Yoser? Best. Kumno Nyang Ser. Pam. Pamre or pam? Biang. Best. Okay. Ma. Thank you, Ma. Okay. So people like to eat this insect called Nyanta Ser. And Nyanta Ser is very interesting insect. Firstly, it is very loud. It is a very loud insect. Secondly, that insect have many forms. That's another thing. But the one of the most interesting thing about this insect is that it appears every 4 years. During that time, especially during that time when the World Cup starts. So then the Nyanta Ser comes under from the ground. What a dab was that? Oi, Kuplay.
How are you?
I am good.
Yeah.
Have you eaten Nyanta Ser? You eat? Oh, it's very tasty.
Tasty.
Best here in Riphoi only. Here. 100 rupees. Okay.
Take.
100 rupees padu.
What is that? This is 100 rupees. This one.
Nyanta Ser.
Oh, 200 piece. No, 100 piece. I don't know.
This is Nyanta Ser.
Take. See.
Ooh.
Very
But need for me I prefer with chutney or something. Direct eat. Oh, have you make? You have cook.
Itu 100 rupees.
Who have you cook? You chef. Oh, okay. So you sell me this one. But pack. I want packing. I can buy that one. So you are the Mr. Chef, best chef. You stay here in Yoser. Staying here. You live Tia here in Yoser.
Kasinong.
Kasinong.
Village Yoser.
Oh. Okay. I will buy that Nyanta Ser. I take only one. I taste later. Okay, I need to taste right away. Let me try.
Taste.
So this is Nyanta Ser, very famous here in Riphoi during this season. Every 4 years, jumps from the ground and starts to fly like that. Ooh! Wow!
Nice.
Very tasty. It tastes like a meat, like a beef or something. It is very tasty. Pack for me, packing. Who will take the money now? Oh. Wow, I'm not kidding at all. It is very tasty. It's unbelievable tasty, man. Very nice, man. I'm gonna definitely. Up. And can see from this man. I show you hand. So He's a professional Nyantaser hunter. Because what happens when you hunt these Nyantasers, you catch it like that and you need to press the head, okay? And it will come black, like your skin will come very black. And you can see that he have hunt for hundreds or even thousands, who knows? Ma. But I want packing this one.
Picking?
Yeah. And actually Nyantaser, guys who don't know, the name of Nyantaser in English is, I don't know, how you say, cicada? Cicada.
Cicada for Yoser.
No. Cicada. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, today I'm a little bit early here because most of the people come on evening time. Probably it's gonna be some artist here, I don't know. But yeah, it's like this now. Okay, I have a guider already here. Hello guys. Happy Nyantaser festival for you. Kids have already eat. Bam, Nyantaser. Bam. Or bam re. Bam. Oh, bam only. Let me just walk around here. Yeah, a local guider here. Chicken is going on here. Obviously pork is going on here. Like that. Happy Nyantaser festival, eh? Yeah. This kind of festival, because wait, upshot. Okay, upshot. The one thing is that you need, if you want the people to be involved with this kind of festival, what is firstly very deep in jungle and village, you need quite good advertisement that people will join this kind of festival. Yeah, but mainly the thing is that people come on evening time. Different shops are here. Oi me, oi be, oi hello, shayo. Go play. Bam Nyantaser, bam, of course, bam. Oh, I have my pocket. Ma. Here is some kind of game going on, man. Hello. Always games are involved here in the festivals. Different kind of games, man. That's a part of the festival. There is going Nyantaser frying. How this game works? I don't. How it works? Come now. Come now, working this one.
This one?
Yeah, how?
That middle one.
Okay, and then like all?
Yeah. No.
And then what time?
Only two you got the price.
Two? Oh, what is the price?
10 rupees. 10 rupees.
10 rupees is the price. Okay, 10 rupees is one throw. Okay, and price is what?
10 rupees. The price you got.
Price got that one? Yeah. Oh, okay. He was first. Okay, let's see if you win a Fanta. That is also something, if you play cards or something, people are, blowing for whatever reason. I believe to get more. Yeah, I will play. I will play. Yeah, I will play. Let me try. Okay. Yeah, I will. I first try. Okay, first I will try. Okay.
I know.
Wow. Quite close. Okay, that was practice.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try now. So need to have two on the bullseye, right?
Yeah.
On that, okay.
Try.
Ish.
Wow.
Ish. No. You lost. 10 rupees na.
10 rupees.
Shim na. Fine. Yeah, it's fine only. Have. Very typical to eat, especially on the mornings with tea here in Ripoy and like that. Oh, some medicines also. Good play.
Just take you in YouTube channel now.
Thank you very much. Hey, how are you? You're fine. What is your name?
We remember by next year
Lama.
festival.
Do you like Nyantaser? Do you like Nyantaser? You don't know Pamela?
Kipat kiriang na kaliang kajunga kalong ba.
Okay. Ma. Oi. Bye.
Next year festival.
Hello,
Ya
guys.
kasab siya kajung.
How are you?
Mene ka ba
Fine.
ngadang siyong hong to nga pet kay. Ya ikulong ibahong ngadang dan lada ka day hakaruay kasiyaw lade ka
Oh, yeah. This is a siren village. Let me just. My ears are. What to say? Will break. Sound system is very loud. Let me eat this Nyantaser. Long live Ripoy. Guys, this is how it looks, man. Nyantaser, and this was very tasty. I will eat all.
Una lambang. Destina.
Very tasty, man. I'm not joking at all.
Kenapa wait? Ada saus nama redangkan mau wait.
Biang.
Biar mau yo.
Biang padu.
Oi, goodbye.
Lawan kita padu.
Goodbye, man. Here, if you can have
Kenapa lah kau awan kedua ya pi lah kai.
some onion and chili, it could be very, very good. Very good
Itu kena ya
combination,
pi lawan
man.
kedua ya pi terwarna jan.
I love it. Because there is also like a, what to say, like a smoky taste. One interesting thing about this Nyantaser is that it's quite a fatty insect. Like it's already like an oily insect. Very good taste. And it's good that they have packed in this like a leaf. So basically you just can throw it there now. Obviously we will use a dustbin, but it's a good option, this one. Always smile.
Ya, pernah berak.
Oh, yeah.
Percaya ti.
Thank you. So, what was your Portugal is your team? Portugal, of course. Portugal. I am not actually quite sure that is Cristiano Ronaldo playing in this year. I really don't know because I think he has already retired. What is your team this year? Your team. What is your team in World Cup? Huh? Portugal. Oh, what about it? Huh? Oh, hello Madrid. I know there is many hello Madrid fans in the Sora side. One guy is there, I still remember when we were boating, he was showing his tattoo. Hello Madrid! Just like that. Oi.
Can we take photo with you?
Of course, let's have photo. Oh yeah, this is your band.
Yeah, the 7
Oh, 7-2.
Yeah, 7
Okay, let's have photo. Let's have, of course.
Where? Yeah.
Oh, good play. Oh, good play.
And the 7 tune.
Yeah, 7-2.
Yo, what's
Yo.
up?
Guys, you look good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You look good too.
Thank you very much. So he's my local guider today here. Thank you for guiding me. I appreciate it.
Chandra Barbi.
Chandra Barbi.
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 Take the photo.
I have to take the photo. Oh yes. Oh, this is also some kind of game.
Game.
Oh, what game is this one? What need to do? Oh, you need to shoot it there. I will try. I have already. You have seen me play soccer. You have seen my scissor kick. Do you remember in the one episode? My gosh, those who remember, they will remember it forever. Shoot, look at this man, how it's done. Almost. Up, let me do it. Hey, that was a post. Hello. Oh, here is also like a river. A fish is going there. Oh, there is a fisherman is there. Hey. Come now. Doka. That's how we call here in Meghalaya. Doka means fish. Beautiful village, guys. Welcome to Sidon. Yoser, bye.
Bye. Tunggu lain nak.
Lain no. Ma.
Mana mulai?
Haying.
Tak parin na si.
Honey. How are you?
How are you, man?
I am good. Ma, bye. Bye bye. Oh no. Oh toto. Ai. To. Nongstoin you have nianta sers?
No.
No. You don't re? Oh, don't re. Have you eat bam? Pam? Oh, bam re. Pam? Bam? 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 So you are the only one who don't eat, nah? No. Okay, let's have photo. To. Kublai shibun ma. Bye. Oi. So these guys was from Nongstoin. Something will be released soon. Can you guess what I'm gonna release very soon? That's why also I haven't posted any videos, because I have work on that project. Comment below if you think. Oh, hello. Comment below if you can guess what is coming. God bless you all. Bye.